Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll show you a simple makeup you can do in just 10 minutes. If you're in a hurry to go to the office or you're just in a hurry to go out, this is simple makeup you can do and you look pretty. It's for beginners. It's not a pro type of makeup or a makeup you spend hours doing. It's just everyday makeup. But I will show you a very simple trick you will use and do it. Keep on watching. If you are a returning subscriber, I thank you so much. I appreciate your support. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, remember to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. My name remains Chioma. I love you so much. Okay, let's go. First of all, what you will need is this. This is edge control. If you don't have edge control, you can use your soap, your bathing soap. Just wet a little. I will use this edge control in one eye and use this soap in the other eyes. Let us go. So get a brush, this type of brush, or you get a toothbrush. Old toothbrush will be okay. So just take a little edge control and comb your brows. Because you are in a hurry, you don't need to start drawing eyebrows, start making a perfect brow. So this gel or your soap will do to help in holding it up like this. Yes, to help to hold it up like this. Get your soap on the wet soap a little and hold it up like this. You see how it is now? As you can see, my eyebrow is just flat, as you can see. So the next thing you are going to do is get eye pencil and make a stroke in between your brows like this. Just make a simple stroke. Make a simple stroke. Make a simple stroke. So you get a concealer. This is what I use. It's a black opaque foundation, but I use it as a concealer. You can get a concealer itself and do. Just dab your brush to front. You see? You conceal under and conceal up. You conceal up like this and brush it off. You do the same thing here, under and above. This makeup is for somebody in a hurry. You're hurrying to office or you're going to somewhere. You just blend it out. Blend it out. You can extend the concealer to your eyelid. You can extend the concealer to your eyelid. So the next thing you need is a foundation. This is the foundation I'm going to use. Can you see it? It's Sandosa. I love to add a little setting powder to my foundation. It makes it so smooth and it sticks to my face without breaking. So you take a little foundation. You add a little setting powder. If you don't have setting powder, no problem. Just go on with your foundation. Mix it together. Mix it, the foundation and the setting powder. The foundation and the setting powder, mix it together. Then you apply sharp. Don't need to waste time. Get your beauty blender. It's the best thing to use in applying foundation. Don't apply like this. You'll be cleaning the foundation. Dab. Just take it and dab to your skin. Start from one side of your face. Dab. Brush it into your hairlines so that you will not have a mask face where one side of your face will be foundation, the hairline will be different. No. You come to this side, you dab also. Your cheek, under your neck. Then you can brush here, this area. You can brush it down to your neck. Down to your neck. Don't mind the sound. My house is near the road, so what I needed to do this video. The sound of the cars and motorcycle, you know. Just don't mind them. Dab. Get a soft beauty blender like this. The one that can bounce. Dab. You get your eyeliner and go on right away. Your waterlines. Get your eyeliner. Because you are in a hurry to go out, you cannot start applying eyeliner like a pro. What I normally do is I get my eyeliner, just put a little wing here. You see? I just connected it with the my under eyelid, so I did not go up. I will do the same thing here. If you don't want to apply eyeliner up above, just no problem. You bring your mascara, apply your mascara. The next thing is your lips. You line it with lip liner. If you don't have a lip liner, you can go straight with your lipstick or your wet lips. Because when I see some people say they cannot do makeup because they're in a hurry, sometimes I say, wow. Last thing is your powder. I use this Esa and Dosa palette. Look at it. This is what I use. Somebody in a hurry, I will advise you, why if you want to add eyeshadow, go with one color. Yes, go with one color. You don't have to start mixing color because you're in a hurry. So in this case, I will go with this nude color here, cookie dough. That's what I'll go with. Just use it and blend over your eyelid like this with a blending brush. My own just broke, so this is eyeshadow blending brush. Get it. It's easier for you to blend eyeshadow. So you blend. You see, it's just one color. Very simple and fine. So wow. You see how pretty, simple this makeup looks like. Can you can do it. Just give it a try. You can do it. Don't say you're in a hurry and you will not apply makeup. So you can do it in just 10 minutes. Yeah, good to go. Bye. Thank you for watching.